Once in a secluded Zen temple, there lived a determined and diligent monk named Takeshi. Takeshi was known for his unwavering commitment to his practice and his refusal to make excuses. He understood that excuses were merely barriers that kept him from reaching his true potential. One day, a young apprentice monk named Hiroshi approached Takeshi with a heavy heart. Hiroshi was struggling with his practice and often found himself making excuses for his lack of progress. Frustrated and disheartened, he sought guidance from Takeshi, hoping to find a way to overcome his excuses. Takeshi, with a gentle smile, invited Hiroshi to join him on a walk through the serene temple grounds. As they strolled, Hiroshi spoke of his challenges and the excuses he made, convinced they were valid reasons for his lack of progress. Reaching a magnificent cherry blossom tree in full bloom, Takeshi stopped and pointed to it. "Hiroshi, observe this beautiful tree. What do you see?" he asked. Hiroshi marveled at the tree's vibrant blossoms and replied, "Master Takeshi, I see a magnificent cherry blossom tree, its branches laden with delicate flowers." Takeshi nodded and said, "Indeed, Hiroshi. This tree stands tall and majestic, blossoming to its fullest potential. It does not make excuses for its beauty or hold back from blooming. It simply embraces its nature and expresses itself fully." Hiroshi contemplated the master's words, sensing a deeper meaning behind the analogy. Takeshi continued, "Just as this cherry blossom tree embodies its essence without excuses, so must we approach our lives and our practice. Excuses are like weeds that choke our potential, preventing us from blossoming into our true selves." Takeshi encouraged Hiroshi to reflect on the excuses he had been making and to recognize them as barriers that limited his growth. He urged Hiroshi to take responsibility for his actions and embrace the power of choice. Inspired by Takeshi's wisdom, Hiroshi resolved to let go of his excuses. From that moment forward, he committed himself fully to his practice, facing each challenge with determination and resilience. Hiroshi understood that excuses were merely illusions that hindered his progress, and he was determined to break free from their grip. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Hiroshi's practice flourished as he embraced a no-excuses mindset. He discovered that within every obstacle lay an opportunity for growth and learning. Hiroshi's dedication and progress inspired others in the temple, and his commitment to living without excuses became a shining example. With time, Hiroshi became a respected monk, known not only for his practice, but also for his unwavering determination and refusal to make excuses. People from far and wide sought his guidance, eager to learn from his wisdom. The story of Hiroshi and Takeshi's teachings spread beyond the temple's walls, reminding people of the transformative power of living a life without excuses. It became a reminder that we are the architects of our own lives, capable of transcending limitations and embracing our true potential when we choose to let go of excuses. And so, the tale of Hiroshi and the cherry blossom tree stands as a testament to the extraordinary possibilities that unfold when we embrace a no-excuses mindset, allowing us to blossom into the fullest expression of our authentic selves.